Today, we will talk about backup management in AGen Software. You can find backup management in Setting at the left sidebar. In this page, you can how the backup file is stored and list in the table below. Click on the Setting button at the top to do backup management. Now, you can fill in the data into the text box and choose your path to save your backup files. You can left the path empty to set as default. Choose Auto Backup by press the Auto Backup button. Auto Backup mode required you to choose the backup start time and the repeat time. Click the clock button to set your backup start time. You can save your setting by clicking the Save Setting button, create manual backup with the Create Manual Backup button or Cancel button to return. At the top of the page you can see the backup start time and repeat backup duration. When your file is backup, it will show in the table. You can select the backup file and click Restore button at the top to restore the file. You can also delete it with the Delete button, export as Excel, CSV, and print it.